This is a demo for the Digibanc SocialPay application. So what you are seeing here is a standalone white label app for SocialPay. So I'm going to just click on the icon, and that brings up the SocialPay app, and I'm prompted to key in my PIN code, which I do. And take note that this PIN code will be set up when your customer opens up the SocialPay app for the first time. And the required security layer that you would like to have your customers to have is entirely designed by you. So if you want them to have a PIN code, we can do that. If you would like them to have a biometric security layer where you use their thumbprint instead, we can do that as well. So that's completely up to your requirements. So when you see the Digibanc SocialPay app for the first time, you will be prompted to set up the SocialPay keyboard onto your smartphones, and that's done automatically. So once you've done that, let's exit the application, and let's use the messaging application for simplicity's sake. So I'm going to open up messaging, and let's say to set the demo environment, let's say I've gone out with this person for dinner, and I owe this person $50 as part of my share for the bill. So I'm going to pull out my keyboard, and if you take a look at the top left hand corner of the keyboard, you will see the D symbol, which when I click on it, it will bring me to the SocialPay demo environment. So I'm going to press on the logo, and you'll be taken over to the SocialPay environment, which you see in front of you. So just an example to show you how a P2P payment would take place, I'm going to press send money, and since I'm choosing to send money to this person, I'll simply search for her name on the search bar and click on it and select the correct number. Okay, and then I will be asked to key in the currency. So take note that because this demo was designed for the UAE environment, the currency over here is in dirhams. This is entirely customizable by you, so you could have this currency in Sing dollars, in Malaysian ringgit, or you could even have a multi-currency function if you require. So I'm just going to key in 50 dirhams for just as an example, and click on the tick, followed by keying in my PIN code as a security layer. So I type in a 4-digit code, and there you go, the payment is a success. And if I wish to notify this person, I'd hit notify. And all the details of the transaction which just took place would be copied onto the blank space for typing, and I'll just simply hit send, and it's as simple as that. The other person now receives a message with the transaction details for the payment which just took place. So we've got everything there, including the amount, to which mobile number was the payment sent to, and a reference number as well for the payment. So SocialPay primarily is used for P2P payments, but you can also have a number of functionalities right from your keyboard that could be very useful. So let's click on the D again. So using SocialPay, you can also do things like check your account balance. So to do that, simply click on check balance, key in a 4-digit PIN code, and there you go, the balance is right there. We also support a number of other functionalities, so you could also make payments to merchants, you can pay your bills, you can buy more mobile airtime. And do take note that the functionalities you wish to have for SocialPay for your customers is entirely customizable by you. So if you wish to have, for example, QR Pay as part of an additional functionality, we will be able to provide that for you as part of the SocialPay app, and you would see QR Pay as an option here. So it's completely customizable, and this is just a quick look at how SocialPay works from a demo's perspective, and I hope this gives you a general idea of what the application looks like. Thank you so much.